Hey, hello. What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you about the combustion of planet in Vedic astrology. So, before beginning, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and click the like button. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, please do mention it in my below comment section. Okay. And yes, please do like and follow my Facebook community page, Parikshit Astrology, where you can also post some astrological stuff and gain knowledge. So, let's begin. So mainly, what is combustion? Combustion means normally burning. So in Vedic astrology, combustion means when a planet sun burns the another planet where the planets are within the particular degree of the planet sun. Suppose if sun is at 20 degrees in Leo with Mercury, where Mercury is in 10 degrees, then planet Mercury gets combusted, because Mercury gets combusted when it is 14 degrees within the planet sun. Now combustion means weak, right? So when any planets in your birth chart other than Rahu, Ketu and Sun are combusted, then the planet is said to be weak and loses its power. Now coming to the degrees of the planet at which they get combusted by planet Sun. Now moon gets combusted at 12 degrees or within 12 degrees of the planet Sun. Now Mars 17 degrees, Mercury 14 degrees or 12 degrees when it's retro. Jupiter 11 degrees, Venus 10 degrees or 8 degrees when it's retro. Saturn 15 degrees. Yeah, so what happens when different planets are combusted? So what happens when Venus gets combusted? So when Venus gets combusted, your self ego wants to be entertained, movies, theaters, games, etc. like that, and make profit. And you might be having some failures in personal relationship as both partners becomes more selfish. Some legal issues crop up because business partners do not want to share profits equitably. Spiritual progress goes slower as individual ego pops up as you sit for dhyan. Everyone wants to relate to his own person and do what makes him happy. Now what happens when Mercury gets combusted? There will be loss of cooperation, failure of teamwork, self-ego, logical plans, faulty conclusions from data because of misplaced confidence, financial marketing going down because of overinflated data. Everyone thinks for him alone. Now what happens when Mars gets combusted? Personal vitality comes in focus, physical aggression, competition, rash driving, exaggerated overconfidence, strong belief in one's competitive abilities. Everyone will fight for what he wants. However, as Mars and Sun are buddies, you can make some good use of this time to aggressively and competitively progress in some way or the other. However, remember that aggression should be directed away from the family, husband or wife or children. Now what happens when Jupiter is combusted? That shows that there is a crisis of belief. The self-ego dominates the philosophy. Is an atheist, that is the person will be an atheist, doesn't believe in higher self and fails to perform the necessary rituals and things connected to eternal religion are self-guided. Do not think that they need guidance from their peers, teachers. Everyone will follow his own personal belief. Saturn combusted. Now what happens when planet Saturn is combusted? That shows that this is potentially highly problematic placement. Sun is Saturn's father, right? And they do not get along at all. Laziness, procrastination, misplaced belief in one's abilities, irregular working style, luck, money, and social reputation are all affected adversely. Everyone will think that their work alone is perfect if Saturn is combusted. Now, what happens when Moon is combusted? That shows a weak mind, psychological issue, lazy, unable to control his or her mind. If also malefic planets are aspecting the moon and conjuncted with the planet moon. Now suppose if moon is with the benefic planets and the moon is combusted, then that shows that it will protect somewhere. So yep, these are all things can be seen through when the different planets are combusted. So yep, this is it for today guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below or else I'll see you in the next video. So if you want any consultancy, please do contact to my given below WhatsApp number or else you can even mail me. So thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.